ตัวให้พอโต๊ะขันทางบนหลังนั้นก็สิตัวก็เห็นมาตัวขันทางสิบนี้ชิดนี้ขลุ่ยจะต้องสักปีจะต้องสักเขาจะไล่ตัวนี้เชียร์ชนะช่องตัวที่ไอ้ตัวที่ว่าสิบนี้มาบัสที่เหรอเชียร์คือจีใส่สิ่งอย่างเช่นพวกนั้นฮะตัวนี้มาเป็นชนะช่องตัวนั้นแต่นี่เราเป็นก็ใกล้บักช่องนี้ชนะช่องหลังต้องรู้แต่ตัดสินใจเราเรียนชนะช่องหลังสิ่งที่เราใช้หลังไว้ก็จะเขาจงไปเลยไหมฮะบัสจงเลยตีโปมาเสียเรื่องเขาจงไปที่ชนะช่องของมันก็ใช่เสียเรื่องลองช่องของจงที่เป็นทับเอาที่สิบคนบนหลังก็เกตก็ไปบัสกับเขาทำบัสตัดเสียเรื่องเขาจงไปที่ชนะพอจงแต่ตัวพี่ที่ก็ถูกตัดถึงแล้วก็มันที่ก็ถูกไปที่ไหนเห็นตัวพี่เลี้ยงกันที่ไหนตัวเห็นข้ามให้ลังที่มันแค่คุยกันหน่อยสังขารมินิสังกิชงไม่ใช่น่าช่องจังเนี่ยสิบปีจ้า
Japantown in Seattle dates back to the late 1800s, when Japanese-owned and operated businesses flourished in the area. For a taste of Japanese culture, you should visit the historic Panama Hotel just one block away to enjoy afternoon tea. Built in 1910, the Panama is where one can still go. Seattle was home to another art form, this one influencing the alternative rock music scene. It was termed grunge rock and saw its popularity rise from the late 80s to the mid-90s, led by Seattle-based bands Pearl Jam, Soundgarden, Alice in Chains, and of course, Nirvana. Sadly, Nirvana was dissolved after its lead guitarist, singer Kurt Cobain. We are just about to enter the financial and administrative quarter of the city. The area is home to the Justice Center, the Seattle Municipal Tower, and the Seattle City Hall and Plaza. The 7-story glass building on the next corner is City Hall, which was awarded the gold LEED rating by the U.S. Green Building Council for its sustainable design. Coming up on the right is the Columbia Center, the tallest skyscraper in Seattle. To enjoy one of the most spectacular views of the city, head up to the Skyview Observatory on the 73rd floor. We can learn more about the Seattle skyline, and then grab coffee at the Skyview Cafe. Seattle's Skyview Observatory. Coming up on the right is an 11-story architectural wonder constructed in glass and steel. Before it was designed, representatives of Microsoft and Amazon were consulted about the role books would play in the future. Today, the library is an innovative access point for all kinds of information, rather than a traditional institution dedicated to books only. Seattle Library. Seattle has become one of the best corporate startup scenes in the U.S. Many Fortune 500 companies have either been founded or have relocated to the Emerald City. The list includes a few of these companies you may have heard of, including Amazon, Microsoft, Expedia, Boeing, Costco, Alaska Airlines, and Nordstrom's. The Seattle Internet Exchange, also known as SIX, is the second largest internet exchange point in the U.S., providing internet connectivity of up to 100 gigabytes per second. This technology infrastructure is also good for employment, as Amazon and Microsoft employ about 67,000 employees, while Costco, Nordstrom, and Boeing account for another 80,000 employees. Of course, Starbucks, with more than 20,007 visitor experience.
Toko terakhir banget nih. ba bujuk ke baru tu hai bas ke baru ke sepuluh tu hai ini sekolah sini cái của chúng ta sai có cái làm chuyện gì đó cái thứ gì trong tay chắc
Pike Place Market. If you're looking for one of Seattle's more unusual attractions, you can find that at the Gum Wall at Alleyway, only a few minutes walk from Pike Place Market. Since the early 90s, the 50-foot-long wall has been covered with used, colorful chewing gum. The Gum Wall was cleaned in 2015, taking 130 hours to remove 2,350 pounds of gum. Gum Wall. Seattle Art Museum.
Art Museum macam mana? Art tu. Tapi Seattle Art Museum macam mana?
In front of the main building of the Art Museum stands the symbol of the working-class men and women of Seattle. The statue is called Hammering Man. The sculpture is considered to be a work of kinetic art. The man of steel is seen pounding his hammer 20 hours a day, relentlessly working except for the remaining 4 hours of night and on Labor Day. Our famous icon is Sylvester the Mummy. No one knows its true identity, but some say it was a Wild West bandit, while others believe the body belongs to John Wilkes Booth, Abraham Lincoln's assassin.
Lang mai ko dah macam satu ni.
Seattle is known to be a city of some extent this was even back in the 1800s. Upon becoming a powerhouse in the timber industry, Seattle's economic status propelled to new heights.
Pike Place tu public market lang siap ka. Tapi cuci Malay bawa tanya sih. Malay le dah ai ning chin dalam hong dah siap hai. Bawa kalau tanya. Cik cik tanya. Tu compara apa bang? Sekarang ni
restaurant yang boleh. Paling banyak sampai dah. Apa itu?
banget lah. Lehi, kecil surat, apa macam surat, asal orang ni, market tu jangan, public market, ni macam kecil tu, Asian ka, ping kat tempat, ka Starbucks ka coba ala atas itu jangan, macam orang kan ni lah ya, public market center tu, mana tempat tu, ni. Makanya kau nak kasih apa macam?
Hippo's got a lot of personality.
Malay bagus ni, Malay kali berang Asian orang market bagus ni. Tapi market juga. Kau cakap apa? Kau ni 원래 저기 뻘 중에 돼. cái mũi tên lòng nó một cái nó.
Are these the ones that you had sampled?
Không biết là thằng mà lấy bao nhiêu thằng.
Sell your fish.
Không ngon. Cái cỏ không. Lắc phơ. Không chịu chịu thằng. Cái bao nhiêu đồng?
속성은 태어나죠.
한정 같아. 그때는 그냥 이거 다 보는 거
지금 타 있다.
지가 치랑 이래来老北去，肯定现场把咱敞开车，打开，那都还Starbucks还Starbucks不能跑。 đồ trang cả cho số mà ta try đi chơi cái gì ta chỉ cần chơi hết trong là chít chít cả thì thằng làm khăn khăn cho nó vào cho tôi còn một hai không mà đang thế đó Asian đang bảo vệ trang cái đang bảo vệ nó được không cả à đồ mình lên nó cái đồng từ từ lại Korea trong đó thôi 정서도 아니 너무 이렇게 놓고 바비큐 하우스 이래 플라자 대가 말하는 게 왔자 놓고 들루짤에 고려짤 어디다 짤 주자 너는 짤 대장가 야 되지 이렇게 놓고 라면 행박다
Non, qui est barbecue, on va manger pas.
Dans le magasin, c'est tout le monde. 호텔 대도 그 빌딩 정말 내가 좀 참아도 그 돈이 그렇자 그래 장비다 제일 좋지. 그 맛이 신선한 노배정. 라이도 비 제치래 된 거 편정. 되게 그렇고. 다 제일 좋지. 다들 미 핑.
Boleh lu sudah tahu apa kalong tetap aku ngambil kue ini kalong mana kalau cho tokat tok balik dia tak
그래서 갈롱을 되게 핑. 예. 중요한 일 줘야 돼. 기분 줘야. 또 상기. 그 세상 랑이 돼 놓게 됐다. 응. 이렇게 따라 세모다 따라 이런 데 당아 뒤따다 에도. 아프다. 또 상기.